The next beracha that we'll discuss in the Amidah, Rifa'enu Hashem v'nerafeh, which discusses again refuah. We're asking Borei Olam to heal those that need refuah. So he brings down there's a pasuk that says Rifa'enu Hashem v'nerafeh, and therefore we follow the words of the pasuk. We don't, first of all, we don't add the word Elokeinu Rifa'enu Hashem Elokeinu v'nerafeh. We don't add that word. Also, we don't make it singular. It's not Rifa'enu Hashem v'nerafeh. Even though other parts of the Amidah, we pray to Hashem, right, in singular form sometimes. However, in this case, it's the words of the Hachamim, the words that Hachamim put in, is to say it B'lashon Rabim Rifa'enu Hashem v'nerafeh, that Hashem should give refuah to all of us. Now he brings down, very important, that when a person is praying, when a person is saying the tefillah, to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, so he brings down, one should be very careful not to change words of Pesukim. For example, he says, let's say a person is saying Ya'ancha Hashem Yom Tzara, and he's saying it for plural. He wants to say it for a whole tzibur. You don't say Ya'anenu Hashem Yom Tzara, even though maybe it's more accurate. In such a case, one does not change words of Pesukim, especially when one is saying an entire Mizmor of Tehillim, or entire section of Pesukim. One should not change the Lashon of the Pasuk in order to make it more accurate for the tzara, for whatever you're praying for. If you're saying it for a woman, you don't say Ya'anech Hashem Yom Tzara, and so on and so forth. And again, every time a person is praying, the tefillah is heard from HaKadosh Baruch Hu the way it is. It doesn't need to be exactly detailed to the way that you feel you need it to be said. Rather, you should say it the way it's written in the Pesukim, the way it's said in the Tehillim. One should read it the exact same way, and have one, again, if you're saying a tefillah afterwards, you want to make a mishbirah, you want to say something after, that's not a problem. Then the person could say whatever names he wants to say. But when you're saying the words of the Pesukim themselves, one should try to keep precise exactly the words of the Pesukim and not change. There are opinions that hold only if you're saying an entire Mizmor. If you're saying parts of the Pesukim, you're saying like part of a Pasuk or part of a Mizmor, then in such a case one could change. However, from many places that we see that Hachamim did not change the words of the Pesukim. Even if we're just saying one or two Pesukim, we try to keep the Pasuk the way it is, and we don't switch the words. We don't switch the context just to be able to fit what we're trying to say, what we're trying to pray for.